Hey. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing something small, cute and extra stylish. Yes, a cute ribbon with only a black pen. No colors, no fancy tools, just vibes, creativity and a pen that thinks it's a fashion designer. So grab your pen, relax your hand and let's draw a ribbon so cute that even gift boxes will get jealous. Let's start drawing. And guys, here we have a funny story for you. While we draw this ribbon, let me tell you a tiny story. This ribbon had a big dream. It wanted to be on a gift, but sadly no gift come. So the ribbon said, fine, I'll become art instead. It practiced posing, curving and smiling until it became the cutest ribbon ever. Now it's not tied to a gift, it's tied to your creativity. Yes.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for.
And guys, look at this cute little ribbon made with only a black pen and lot of love. If this ribbon made you smile, even a tiny bit, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, would you put this ribbon on a gift or keep it as art? Until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling and remember, even a simple black pen can create something beautiful. Bye bye. Bye bye my creative buddies. Bye bye.